for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, awesome. This week I came across a new tool that's just out. So if you guys have this tool and are using it, please hit me up. Let me know if you like it or not. I really like the 9 amp hour battery with the fast charger. So I'm kind of almost doing a review on the 9 amp hour battery and the fast charger. It charges up in less than an hour. And if this chipping hammer works like how they say it does, it looks like it's probably like the best thing you could get out there. A lot of these guys rent jackhammers. I don't even know. There's certain kinds of jobs that you run into where you have like this, like what kind of chipping hammer do you need? Are you just going to chisel up a little concrete, or are you breaking up slab? So this might not do like the breaking up slab kind of stuff. It might be more like a chipping hammer where you're just smoothing out a surface, trying to, chip out some stuff that is in your way. Like a lot of times, James knows this firsthand. The concrete guys like to pour concrete in our pipes, and then we have to like chip it out a little bit. But the whole thing is that what we have to look at is the way that the DeWalt is improving their package to where they're the most powerful, the fastest charging, and the best design out there. So I really appreciate pushing this week, and I really support the DeWalt chipping hammer. So if you guys have any reviews on it,